Hey, welcome to the Peachy Squeak channel where we're keeping things peachy. And today we're kind of doing like a vlog, and I'm gonna be going with my mother on like a drop or whatever. She's a truck driver, so yeah, I'm gonna go with her and drop off her load with her. Yeah, and don't mind the big, huge, very large bump on my forehead. Okay, so I'm about to get in, grab the bars. Okay, this is the truck. Oh, there she is, fixing everything. It's pretty dark up there. Check your bed. It's pretty big on here. Brought a book with me. But yeah, this is the truck. Tour. There's like a mini fridge, air fryer, space, like food, storage, cleaning supplies, microwave, more storage. Yeah, so it's a lot of storage, like more storage. So this is how my mother couples the thingy to the trailer, the tractor to the trailer.
Under there is the pin. That gotta go. The pin gotta go inside that. And then that's that clip you can hear when I'm back up to it. And the click. And then that is not going to it.
Okay. Cool. So now she's gonna like back up into it. Now she's lifting up the landing gear. So what does this do?
Lift up the landing gear so we can leave.
Okay, yeah. This is the last part of drive off, I guess.
Yeah.
Cool. So she's still lifting up the landing gear or whatever. But honestly, it's like a lot of like it's not like too hard, but it's kind of like physically demanding. So respect to all truck drivers out there, because you know, it's not meant for everybody. You have to be like a strong person to do it, in my opinion. So now we're on the road and we should make it to our destination at about like 7. It's now 1 o'clock. So, yeah. So we have made a stop at Lowe's to get, not Lowe's, Love's, to get some food. And I got some fruit and some, I don't know what these are. What, Southwest rolls or whatever, but now we're about to be back on our way. Some wind turbine spinning the turn. So big. Okay, it is now daylight outside, and I wanted to record the sunrise, but I was asleep. I fell asleep, so I couldn't do that. But we're at our destination. We're at the store, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, like this video. If you really like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and have a peachy day. Bye. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at child_Yaja. Bye.